How to put two tables side by side in Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put two tables side by side in Word. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Word app on your laptop. And after that, simply open the blank page inside the Word. And now to place two tables side by side in the Microsoft Word, start by inserting a table with one row and two columns. And after that, in the left cell, insert your first table. And then in the right cell, insert your second table. And after that, simply click on the outer border of the main two cell table, the one that's holding both table. And from the pop-up menu, we can simply go to the table design and right click and choose borders and shading. And here in the dialog box, simply select none under the borders to remove the outer table borders. And after that, simply click OK, and that's it. Now you have two separate tables sitting side by side in your Word document. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.